Welcome back. In this video, we are going to see the difference of these two numbers, root of 16 square and root of 16 whole square. We will see both one by one, but we are going to start. First one, root of 16 square. Here we will solve square of 16 first. Square of 16 means 16 times 16, which is equal to 256. Now we are going to solve square root of 256. Square root of 256 means the number times itself is equal to 256. So that number which times itself is 16. 16 times 16 is equal to 256. This is equal to 16 square. Square and root cancel out. We got the answer 16. So square root of 16 square is equal to 16. Now let's move to the second part. Square root of 16 whole square. Here we are going to solve the square root first. Square root of 16. The number times by itself is 16. So that number is 4. 4 times 4 is equal to 16 whole square. 4 times 4 means 4 square. Root of 4 square and whole square. Square and root cancel out. We are here with 4 square. And we know that 4 square is equal to 16. So both numbers are equal to 16. I hope this video is very interesting and helpful for you. If so, please thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.